Hello, welcome to my channel. Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in our Nightmare Before Christmas Haunted Mansion page kit. Okay, so in this kit, you'll see all these lovely paper piecings. And I did use dimensional foam adhesive to tack these down. Of course, the foam adhesive does not come in your kit. That's just what I chose to do with mine. I like to add that extra dimension in there. Okay, so in the kit, and before I forget, go ahead and click on that link below this video and it'll take you to my shop where you can find this kit and many other fun projects. If you ever don't see something you're looking for, it may just be temporarily sold out, please message me and I will get right back to you. Okay, so you're going to receive two sheets of full color step-by-step instructions. You're going to have large photos as well to help you in paper piecing. Nice large images. Okay, and then all of your pieces are carefully cut and bagged for you by image. Okay, and then the larger pieces are going to be loose in your kit. You're also going to receive the photo mats, pre-measured and cut for you as well. To add your photos, just go ahead, take a ruler and measure the photo mat and then trim your photo down to 1/4 of an inch smaller and you have a perfect mat for your photos. You're going to receive two 12 by 12 sheets of black cardstock and 2 sheets of the decorative background paper that will need to be trimmed down. Those measurements do come in your kit. Or in the instructions, I'm sorry. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you'd like this video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day.